In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then tap on one-handed mode and use gray switcher to activate it. Last but not least, to use it, use all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode, and swipe up to exit. You can also exit by clicking on this dark area at the top. If you want to disable it completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!